It's time for Jim and Stop Trading.
No, I mentioned earlier about the groups that are underperforming. Well, lo and behold, the healthcare and consumer product stocks have been awful. Witness the fact that Procter & Gamble is down hugely. Now, this is a good company. The multiple is shrinking. Now, some of that could be what's going to happen with the 10 and 30 years. We got to keep track of those auctions. But some of it's just a belief that, you know what, these are stocks that will be hurt by materials costs. And maybe their prices are going to come down, their end market prices. Witness the fact that Costco is really pushing these prices down. I don't think people realize the force that is Costco and the force that is Walmart and the force that is Amazon. These are the inflation fighters. But if you're President Biden, the last thing you want to do is say, you know what, I've been talking to Walmart and they're doing the right job. That doesn't happen in this country.
You don't think it's a Forex dollar strength issue? I
debated Forex and dollar, but I do think that even some of the more domestic ones in this group are going down. General Mills is a domestic company, and that stock was at 75, and now it's at 62. So let's keep track of the healthcare stocks. A lot of that is IRA. They're J&J fighting this tooth and nail. Merck having a total multiple collapse. These are great American companies, but they are not trading like that, and they are trading as value traps. I question how long that can go on, but I recognize we'll know at the J.P. Morgan Healthcare Conference we'll be going next week. I can't wait to go there because you have terrific companies that are being given away.
Right. How much do you think, relative to past J&J, JPM conferences, are going to be about policy as we await this new administration and new head of HHS, obviously?
I think more policy than AI, but I think that there are a lot of people who are very fearful of talking about the government. And if you haven't paid your $1 million up front, I think that you live in fear that you may be on some sort of blacklist. Not talked about. I just mentioned it for the first time because I think that it's one of the things. I like to talk about what people talk about behind the scenes, which is that are you paying the $1 million or are you not? I've never seen anything like it. There are a lot of people who are paying $1 million. I don't know if they want to go to the gala. I went to one of these galas.
They all agreed on $1 million.
Yeah, I went to to President Clinton's gala, and it cost me $15,000. But maybe that's what $1 million is now.
It's inflation. Jim, how about tonight?
I've got Cerence. This is in honor of a tie-up with NVIDIA. This is a company that run by Brian Krzanich, before that CDK, and then, of course, the CEO of Intel, during a period where I still think Intel had some greatness. Intel, by the way, must be preserved. We need to think about Intel as a national treasure with a really bad balance sheet. But I think that the key thing about Cerence is that we have AI, and there isn't any limit to where it is. Hence, AI is multiple enhancer of everything we follow.
Well, as you said, Jim, no football means we can stay up late and watch Jensen.
Jeez, yep. No football. What are we going to do? At least we have some we have Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday next week, so we don't feel like you're going to not get your fix for football.
Jim, we'll see you tonight.
Absolutely.
Busy week ahead. Mad Money, 6 p.m. Eastern Time.